What is this?
Camera.
Camera? इसलिए बना रहे हो? Now allowed.
Yeah, but off.
Sunny day here in Delhi.
बस के लिए ऑटो?
बस
कहाँ की? तो आउटर रिंग रोड पे पड़ेगा बाहर। और बुकिंग नहीं है तो कहाँ की बस है कहाँ की?
जयपुर
जयपुर की एक जगह तो मिल जाएगी।
1 बजे
हाँ?
कितना बजे
अभी निकलने वाली है। आइए काम
को चेक
नहीं हम चली जाएंगे भैया।
आप कोई बने बस में काम करते हैं मेरा आपसे।
So I'm trying to find a ride to Jaipur. Over there I can see some ticket counters. Let's see if I can find a ticket to
Sir, 1 minute.
let's see
किधर? वो एसी वॉल्वो किधर जाना है?
Jaipur.
जयपुर जाना है?
सामने चले जाओ।
तो जयपुर एसी वॉल्वो चाहिए। एसी वॉल्वो जो एसी वाली बस होता है।
That's okay, I'll get it. Thank you.
सरकारी वाला तो उधर मिलेगा।
So I see some travel agency out there. Let's see if I can find a ticket, and at the same time I'm trying to cross the road.
भगवान तो तुम उठा लेना तो सही रहेगा।
I don't want. No. I don't want. So this guy is just following me. Maybe he will get some commission. So trying to find a ticket to Jaipur. Jaipur
What is this?
camera.
Camera? Just over there.
It's not a gun.
इसलिए बना रहे हो? तो आपको कहीं जाना है?
जयपुर क्या बस है भी जयपुर के लिए?
जयपुर के लिए?
हाँ।
ये स्टिल नाउ ओपन? स्टिल बन रही है ये?
Yeah.
Now allowed.
All out.
Now
Okay.
allowed.
बताओ।
Because you called me from there.
आपने बुलाया ना इसीलिए आए।
जयपुर को क्या करना है? ग्रीन बस चलवा रही है? रानी तो ग्रीन चलवा रही है? खाना प्रॉब्लम। ठीक है सर।
कौन सा बस है भैया?
बस बोल दो।
हाँ वोल्वो बस है।
या बंद off.
ठीक है।
ये आपका अभी भरी है?
So this guy has been following me since I was there. Maybe he wants some commission, and they got really spooked out with the camera.
Yeah.
So maybe they are trying to run some scam. So we are trying to find the government counter. So these are just privates.
सर चेक कर लो सर। हाँ कम।
He has been following us. Government वाला कहाँ पे है? Government
सरकारी
counter.
वाला था।
गाड़ी सीधा मेट्रो को पार करो सामने आ जाएगा।
Thankfully, the guy have stopped following me. He was just after me. He was asking to get a ticket from him. I believe he will get some sort of a commission. Walking down road to the government counter, it's usually a safer bet, because with all the scams going on here, I'm not even sure if he'll provide a real ticket. I'll probably ask this guy. ISBD counter. ISBD counter, ticket counter.
टिकट कौन? बैठ जाओ ओके।
I believe it should be somewhere over there. So I finally found the bus station. Those were some private shady travel agencies that might scam you or that might trip you off. But this one is government. This is a safer bet. I'm trying to rush. I don't want to miss a bus. So that's 9. Except for 8, I can see all the other numbers. This is ticket number 8, but there is no one. Maybe this guy will be able to help. Excuse me, do you know where I can find a bus from here to Jaipur? Jaipur. So he said it's here, but I don't see anyone in the ticket counter again.
शाम को 5 बजे।
No, latest. Before. Before that.
नाउ
Yeah.
अभी नहीं है।
कितने नंबर से है?
लॉन्च पे भी नहीं।
5 बजे
No,
की
प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर
2 बजे का नहीं है अभी। फुल हो गई होगी शायद।
Just go check downstairs.
अभी लोग बना रहे हैं सर।
Yeah. Thanks.
चैनल कौन सा है?
It's KLL.
ओके सर।
What's your name?
दीपक।
Nice to meet you. So he said there are no buses right now. There's one at 5, but that's too late. So I'll try to find if I can get a ticket for now. I've probably arrived a little late. It's a Volvo. How much is it?
calling him, वो आप आ रहा है यहाँ से लेके जाने के लिए
Okay.
5 नंबर
What's the price? What's the price?
प्राइस कितने वो होगा 750
750. What time?
540
What time does it leave? What time?
130 o'clock
What's the time now?
जस्ट ए मिनट वो
Okay,
आ रहा है यहाँ
okay,
से
okay.
कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे
Okay, I got it. So he said that he called someone to take us to the bus, and hopefully we will
Samli
be able to get a ticket. Okay.
750 meal, 540.
Okay. Why expensive for meal? So anyway, he will be taking us to the bus. Thankfully, we were able to get a ticket to Jaipur now. Hopefully, we don't have. And this lives at 1:30, so we don't have to wait. Still just following him.
यहाँ से टिकट ले लीजिए सर.
Okay. Thank you. So just got my ticket, and they said that the bus will come and wait here. So just waiting for the bus, and once it arrives, we'll just board in and then head on to Jaipur. These guys seem pretty believable because the private counter at the first who were worried about the camera seemed pretty dodgy. But these guys, well, this is government, so this is more legit. While waiting for the bus, I thought I would just have some little snack. And here he is making
पानी
tea.
निकाल रही हूँ.
So I decided to have some snacks. Let's see if I can find something to eat. So they have all kinds of different sandwiches. Not sure what these are. ये क्या है?
Potato patties.
One. Camera.
इसका वीडियो तो चलने दे.
Huh?
वीडियो तो चलने दे.
On.
दिखेगी क्या से?
SD card से. Memory card. People get really curious about my camera because it sort of looks like a gun. A lot of times people ask me if this is a gun, and then and then when I say camera, then this guy say, "Oh, I can't even see the screen." Anyway, so I just got this one, a little snack before I board the bus. So the bus has finally arrived, and I'm gonna have to load my bag and luggage. So he's gonna load the luggage here. Jaipur.
Seat number?
24, 25.
Okay. That's how he loads the luggage. There's a lot of space. He's loading the luggage. And this is the luggage compartment. If someone wants to travel without a ticket, maybe they can sneak inside here. Thank you.
10 rupees per bag, 5 rupees. देखिए, per bag 5 rupees. टिकट चार्ज.
क्या होगा?
10 रुपये दे दो मुझे 5 रुपये पढ़ने के लिए.
10 रुपए कितने?
5 रुपये पढ़ने के लिए टिकट चार्ज लगता है.
No, he's saying he's asking money. Why?
चाय पीने के लिए.
आदेश है मेरे पास.
Okay, show me.
देखो.
He said he needs 10 rupees.
तो क्या होता है?
क्या आदमी है? हाँ?
Wait, I think I have. For 10 rupees, okay. What's your name? नाम क्या है?
बसन.
Thank you. Just boarding the bus now. I'm trying to find my seat. It's 25, 26. Should be this one. Finally found the seat number, and then it gets weird when you start talking in the camera in closed spaces, like everyone's staring at you. What's wrong with this crazy guy with a camera or a gun? So finally boarded the bus, and now heading on to Jaipur, and let's see what we can find there. So we have finally reached Jaipur. Sorry?
भैया
What's that place called? Raja Park.
उतारेंगे.
Yeah, we were planning to get down there, but so I need to
Photo.
get my luggage first. Excuse me. That one. So I'm getting my luggage back. Thank you. Now we're trying to find a ride, and it's raining. Let me sort out the right. Raja Park.
राजा पार्क में कहाँ पे?
Lane 2. Lane 2. Lane 2.
Lane 2.
How much?
200.
Huh?
much is that?
200 he said.
क्या देंगे आप?
मेरे यहाँ पे 7 रुपए दिखा रहा है।
कितना?
7 रुपए दिखा रहा है।
60 रुपए।
हाँ
60 रुपए मैडम।
ऊबर में 7 रुपए दिखा रहा है।
ऊबर तो फिर ले जा सकते हैं। 150 दे देना 150।
ये नारायण सिंह सर्कल है ना?
हाँ।
He's trying to bargain a ride, but I have already booked an Uber. Uber seems to be a little cheaper than the tuk-tuk for some reason.
ऐसा ऑटो आराम से लेती हूँ। ये कैमरा बंद कर रहा है।
ये मेरा कैब आ गया। 80 रुपए में कैब मिल गया मुझे।
Why are you scared of the camera?
हाँ?
Why are you scared of the camera?
मतलब
डर क्यों है कैमरा से?
अरे यार मैं
You still want to bargain a ride?
चाचा लो चाचा। चाचा फोटो ले लो।
Hello.
बोल दूध वाला ये दूध वाला।
Juicer.
ना आओ ना आओ मैडम भी आओ ना।
भैया ऊबर आ गया।
नो इंग्लिश।
No English, only
Yes,
Hindi.
Hindi.
Yes, Hindi.
मोदी जिंदाबाद।
Modi Jindabad.
हर कंट्री को हिला देगा मोदी।
ये वीडियो देख ले हम देख लें कहाँ है यूट्यूब क्या नाम से
I'm a little embarrassed because I don't even have much subscribers. Because
Come download it.
you guys are not subscribing me. Thank you.
लब आ जाओ सब्सक्राइब कर दिए मैंने कम यार
wait, Uber.
कम यार माई टुक टुक
Tomorrow.
भैया अगर मैं ये कैंसिल करूँगी मेरा 100 रुपए काटेगा। माफ कर दो। हाँ
चलो
Tomorrow. Bye. So the Uber is here. We're just getting to the Uber